This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Hyundai Sonata, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs from this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to put the front wiper blade into the service position.
To put the wipers in the service position, you'll need to start the engine, turn the vehicle off, and then just hold up on the wiper stalk for about 3 to 5 seconds, and they will go up into the service position.
Next, we're going to show you how to change the reverse light on this vehicle. Reach under the vehicle here. Reach up for the bulb assembly. Press the tab and pull the connector out. Turn the bulb assembly and pull it out. You can remove your bulb now. Pull it straight out to remove. Finally, let's locate all the fuse boxes for you. Reach over to the driver's side of the engine bay. Here's your cover. Press the tabs and lift the cover off. There are your engine fuses. Your interior fuse box is near the steering wheel. Reach here and pull off this cover. There are your interior fuses. We also recently showed you how to take out one of the headlight housings on this vehicle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more full car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.